Ever wondered how to make your shopping experience more efficient and enjoyable? Enter the world of UbiqMart, where shopping becomes not just a task, but a delightful experience. UbiqMart revolutionizes the way we shop with a customer-centric approach that puts your needs at the forefront. This innovative mobile platform offers a location-based shopping feature, allowing you to discover products and stores near or far based on your preference. It's the convenience of having the world of retail right at your fingertips. UbiqMart understands the importance of informed purchasing decisions. That's why it offers comprehensive product comparisons. Now, you can effortlessly compare prices, features, and more before making a final choice. No more second-guessing or buyer's remorse. Once you've found your perfect product, UbiqMart simplifies the rest of the process. Place your order, choose your preferred delivery mode, and make secure payments right within the app. With various delivery options available, UbiqMart caters to your unique needs. But the innovation doesn't stop there. UbiqMart also offers real-time order tracking. Stay updated with the status of your orders from placement to delivery, ensuring a smooth and transparent shopping experience. The intuitive interface of UbiqMart makes shopping a breeze. Personalized recommendations based on your preferences further enhance your shopping journey, ensuring you find exactly what you're looking for. Most importantly, UbiqMart prioritizes your security. Enjoy hassle-free payments through its integrated payment system, giving you peace of mind while shopping. UbiqMart isn't just about selling products, but creating an enjoyable, seamless shopping experience. With its extensive product range, you can find everything you need in one place. Say goodbye to the hassle of multiple tabs and apps. To sum it up, UbiqMart is the future of retail. It brings convenience, efficiency, and enjoyment to your shopping, all while helping you make smart, informed decisions. So why wait? Dive into the world of UbiqMart and discover a new way to shop.